Welcome back to Storytime Kits instruction video from the Independence Public Library. My name is Bonnie, and we have this opportunity today to create an owl craft. You're going to need the supply bag from the library. It contains colored circles, some round eyes, 2 wings, 1 beak and 1 foot piece, and some folded cardstock. From home, you're going to need a pair of scissors and a glue stick. When you've gathered your belongings or needs, supplies, go ahead and start the video again. Welcome back. Let's start with our piece of cardstock. If your cardstock is not trimmed, go ahead and trim it up a little bit. When you finish that, I laid down some protective papers so I don't get glue on the table. This cardstock has been pre-folded at least a little bit. On this flap right here, we're going to add some glue to that. I'm going to fold this around so it meets, and then make sure that your glue's on there thick enough that it's going to hold that. You may need to hold it for a moment. Okay. Now we're going to run and add our circles. On one side of your cardstock, go ahead and start adding your colored circles. They can overlap. They don't have to be in a straight line. This is your owl. You can put his feathers on. Maybe he has kind of crazy feathers. We're just going to add feathers to just the one side of our cardstock. Okay. So that it should look something like that. Next, we want to add our wings. I'm going to put mine kind of up and down. They're placed kind of like that this way. You can put them both up or both down. Your choice. Okay. Now there should be a little heart piece. That's his little feet. Okay. I'm going to kind of slide that up under this bottom circle if I can. Okay. When it gets good and dry, you may want to fold those up so it's not going to keep him from standing. Okay. Then Next, I put his little bill, his little duck beak on, owl beak on. Kind of position that kind of in the middle there. Now we'll put his eyes on. There we have our little freestanding owl. You did a great job. As always, make sure and clean up after yourself. Some of the books we have at the library about owls are Baz and Bence by Heidi Buchanan, Me Too, Grandma by Jane Chapman, a nonfiction book, Barn Owls by Melissa Hill, and I'm Not Sleepy by Jonathan Allen. Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you at the library again very soon.